Kombucha lovers, listen up. I've got my hands on the Northern Brewer 1-gallon kombucha starter kit, and I'm excited to break it down for you. This kit claims to be all-inclusive, with everything you need to get brewing right away, unlike some other bare-bones kits out there. So, let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions? I'm impressed with what you get. This isn't just a SCOBY and a prayer. You get the Little Big Mouth Bubbler, a 1.75-gallon glass fermenter, which is a nice size for beginners. It's glass, which is important for keeping your brew clean and free of any plastic taste. You also get, of course, the star of the show, the SCOBY, a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. It's the magic ingredient that transforms sweet tea into tangy, fizzy kombucha. Northern Brewer also includes pH testing strips and a pipette, which is super helpful for monitoring the fermentation process and ensuring your kombucha is at the right acidity. A Firmograph adhesive thermometer is included too, so you can keep an eye on the temperature, which is crucial for a successful brew. They even throw in loose-leaf black tea, raw cane sugar, a stainless steel tea ball, butter muslin, rubber band, and detailed instructions. Seriously, they've thought of everything. The only thing you need to provide are the bottles for your finished kombucha. Now, let's talk about the brewing process. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for a complete newbie. I appreciated the step-by-step guidance, especially for things like preparing the sweet tea and caring for the SCOBY. The whole process felt surprisingly straightforward. One thing I really like about this kit is the quality of the ingredients. The loose-leaf tea is a nice touch, and the raw cane sugar is definitely a plus. It just feels like they've prioritized quality, which is important when you're making something you're going to be drinking. After my first batch, I was really happy with the results. The kombucha had a nice, tangy flavor, and the fizziness was perfect. It was definitely comparable to store-bought kombucha, but way more satisfying knowing I made it myself. Plus, it's way cheaper in the long run. So, is this the best kombucha starter kit on the market? It's definitely a strong contender. The all-inclusive nature of the kit, the quality of the ingredients, and the clear instructions make it a great option for beginners. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of brewing kombucha, and the results speak for themselves. If you're looking to dive into the world of homebrewed kombucha, I definitely recommend checking out the Northern Brewer 1-gallon kombucha starter kit. It's a great investment that will pay off in delicious, healthy kombucha for months to come. And let's be honest, it's just plain fun to make your own. So give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.